In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bar chart in Google Sheets. Let's get started by opening your Google Sheets document. Make sure you're on the sheet that contains the data you want to visualize. Bar charts are great for comparing categories side by side, so it helps if your data is organized with clear labels. Ideally, you'll have category names in one column and the values you want to compare in the next. If your table includes a header row, that's even better. Google Sheets uses those headers to label the chart automatically. Now, highlight the range of data you want to turn into a bar chart. Click and drag across the cells and include the headers if you have them. Try to exclude subtotals or grand totals, since those can distort the chart. If your data spans many rows, you can click the first cell, hold Shift, and click the last cell to select the whole block in one go. You'll see the selection outlined, which confirms it's ready. Next, go to the top menu and click Insert. From the menu that appears, choose Chart. Google Sheets will immediately place a default chart onto your sheet, and you'll see the Chart Editor panel open on the right. Don't worry if the initial chart type isn't what you had in mind. We're about to change it. In the Chart Editor, under the Setup tab, find the Chart Type drop-down. Click it, scroll through the options, and select Bar Chart. A bar chart displays categories along the vertical axis with horizontal bars, which can make long category labels easier to read. If you see a column chart instead, you can switch to bar to flip the orientation. Once selected, the chart will update instantly. From here, you can customize the look and clarity of your chart. In the Customize tab, add a descriptive chart title so viewers immediately understand what they're seeing. Adjust the legend position to keep labels readable and refine axis titles if needed for extra clarity. You can change bar colors to emphasize key categories and turn on data labels to display exact values on the bars. If the wrong data range was selected, you can return to the Setup tab and update the range without starting over. When it looks right, click anywhere outside the chart to save your changes. Google Sheets. Auto saves, and your chart stays on the sheet. You can move it by dragging or resize it using the corners. That's it. Your bar chart is ready to share, present, or analyze at a glance.